G'day, I'm Livio Pace from Boss Attachments. Today I want to take you through one of the most exciting products that we sell. It's a hydraulic magnet by Gus Magnetti. These things are an absolute weapon, and they're probably the most funnest product we sell, in as far as you look at something that's so small and it just does so much. This little unit here only weighs 570 kilos. You can run it on an excavator from 5 tonne all the way up to even a 20 tonne. It doesn't bother us. It'll pick up anything, up to a tonne, 2 tonne in steel, even more. It's got 5.5 tonne breakout force. So basically, whatever it's holding, it's going to take you 5 tonne of force to rip it off. So effectively, you'll pick up 5 tonne with it. These units here are predominantly sold to anyone from recycling, from scrap, earth moving people, demo guys. They do their demo, they want to go through and pick up all the metals that are on the ground left over. Get this on your excavator, wave it over the ground. Highly used in rail. Go along and pick up the scraps. In rail, the market's basically, if you want to pick up steel, this is what you want to use. We had one only recently, we sent to one of the mines, picking up the metal mill balls. So it's amazing how broad the market is for these units. If I move on and show you its bigger brother, this is the MRS 125. This one is unbelievable. You'll see this one in a video, picking up a sheet of steel that's 5.5 tonne, and it's holding it only by the corner. We're talking like the space of a 5-cent piece. This thing's got 15.5 tonne breakout force. They run off the excavator off its auxiliary hydraulics, and it only requires 50 litres a minute. So basically, your excavator is going to be idling to operate one of these things. We've got teeth on them, so at the moment these are set up with chains, so you can just hang them off your excavator. So you can have it as hanging, go on any excavator, or we can mount a top mount. It'll go onto a standard quick hitch. The idea of the teeth is not to dig, but it's to scratch through the surface. If you've got a big pile of processed concrete and you want to go through and pick up all the steel, you use those teeth to scratch through it, wave the magnet over it. The magnet only needs to be 500 millimeters above the ground, and it'll suck that steel straight up, take it all the way. So like I said earlier, these units here only require, this one's about 50 litres a minute, this one's 25 litres a minute. There's only 2 hoses, connect straight onto your hammer pipes, just connect it, operate your auxiliaries, whether it's by thumb or pedal in your excavator, magnet turns on, and go to work. Pick it up. If you want to release the product, let go of your hydraulics, and it'll instantly drop them. For more information on the Gus Magnetti hydraulic magnets, look us up at bossattachments.com.au, and we're more than happy to help you out and put you in the right place.